In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Forex.com economic calendar. This tool is a simple way to stay on top of market-moving news so you can plan your trading day with more confidence. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the calendar and how to read each line so the information becomes instantly useful. Start by opening the calendar. Log into your Forex.com account as you normally would. Once you're in the platform, go to the menu labeled Add to Window and choose Economic Calendar. The calendar panel will appear, and it may take a moment to load the latest events. When it does, you'll see a clean list of upcoming and recent news items in rows. Next, check the event list. Each row is a compact snapshot of what's happening and when. The first thing you'll notice is the time column. This tells you exactly when the news is scheduled to be released. It's the anchor for your planning. Keep an eye on the clock as events approach because liquidity and volatility can shift quite quickly around release times. The currency column shows which currency is expected to be most affected, such as USD, EUR, or GBP. Think of this as your quick way to know which pairs deserve attention. If the currency is USD, for example, dollar pairs like EUR, USD, or USD JPY may see sharper moves around that time. It doesn't guarantee direction, but it does highlight where the spotlight will be. The event column names the specific piece of data. You'll often see items like CPI, GDP, or NFP. CPI, or Consumer Price Index, measures inflation and can influence interest rate expectations. GDP tracks overall economic growth, shaping the broader outlook for a country's economy. NFP, or non-farm payrolls, is a key U.S. jobs report that frequently sparks strong price reactions. Recognizing these abbreviations helps you quickly gauge why an event matters. Finally, look at the impact level, which is labeled low, medium, or high. This is your risk and attention guide. High-impact events historically move markets more, so they're the ones to prepare for most carefully. Medium-impact events can still matter, especially if markets are sensitive to that topic. Low-impact items tend to be quieter, but they still contribute to the bigger picture. That's the core of using the Forex.com economic calendar. Log in, open it from Add to Window, and read each row by time, currency, event, and impact level. Make it part of your daily routine, and you'll approach the market with clearer expectations and a more organized plan.